Hi guys, today's recipe is a no yeast pizza. I got this recipe from Emma's Goodies channel. She has used self-raising flour, but I'm gonna be using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, to which I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder. You're supposed to knead this dough only with curd, so here I'll be using about 3 tablespoons of curd. In case your dough is too dry, you can add some extra curd and that'll help. Knead a soft dough and keep it aside for a couple of minutes or until you're ready with your toppings. For toppings, here I've used some boneless chicken and some mushroom. You can also make it vegetarian, use capsicum, olives, etc. If you're using the same toppings, then just saute them in 2 tablespoons of oil with some minced garlic and some pepper powder and salt. That'll work. Just saute them until the chicken cooks through and keep it aside until it cools down. Did I forget to mention that we'll be making this pizza in a pan? So you take your pan, lightly grease it with some oil, and then you start rolling your dough ball. The amount of flour that we use can make 2 pizzas. We'll be making somewhere between a thin crust pizza and a medium looking pizza. If you're making it for the first time just like me, then it's okay to not have a perfect circle. Just make it big enough so that you can have enough toppings. Place it on the pan and let it cook on slow flame. Now you have to keep checking that the bottom does not get burned. It should be something like this, a little goldenish color. After which you spread your pizza sauce. You can make the pizza sauce at home, okay, but I just use the ready-made American Garden pizza sauce here. Spread it evenly. I think that it requires salt because when I ate my first pizza, which was a fail, I felt the taste was okay, but it was less salt. So I added some salt, and then I'm going to place some cheese. Here I'm using mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, after which I'm going to place some toppings, all of my toppings, and then I'm going to put some more cheese. And we like cheese, so I'm going to load it with cheese. You don't need to put so much, okay? My sauce already has oregano, so I have not added extra oregano here. Now since we have already cooked the top part of this base, we just have to cook it until the bottom is golden too. So put the lid on, let the cheese melt, and meanwhile keep checking the bottom to avoid burning. Once it turns a little goldenish, you know your pizza is ready. Subscribe for more such experiments, and like, share, comment. Follow me on Instagram at experimental recipes. Bye.